Here is a step-by-step guide on how to start an affiliate business with Amazon using Pinterest. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Affiliate Program. Before you can start earning commissions from Amazon, you need to sign up for their affiliate program. This can be done by visiting the Amazon Associates website and creating an account. Once you have created an account, you will have access to your unique affiliate ID. Step 2. Choose your niche. Choosing a niche is an essential step when starting an affiliate business. It is essential to choose a niche that you are passionate about, as it will be easier to create content that resonates with your audience. For example, if you are passionate about home decor, you could focus on promoting products related to home decor. Step 3. Create a Pinterest account. Pinterest is an excellent platform to drive traffic to your affiliate links. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for one for free. It is essential to optimize your profile by choosing a clear profile picture, creating a compelling bio, and including a link to your website or blog. Step 4. Create boards. Create boards on Pinterest that align with your niche. For example, if your niche is home decor, you could create boards focused on specific themes such as living room decor, kitchen decor, and bedroom decor. It is essential to ensure that your boards are visually appealing and have compelling titles and descriptions. Step 5. Add pins to your boards. Once you have created your boards, it's time to start adding pins. Pins are visual bookmarks that link to external websites, including Amazon. When adding pins, ensure that they are high quality and visually appealing. Also, make sure to include a clear description and a link to your Amazon affiliate link. Step 6. Promote your pins. Promote your pins by using Pinterest's paid advertising program or by sharing them on other social media platforms. It is essential to track your analytics to see which pins are driving the most traffic and adjust your strategy accordingly. Step 7. Monitor your results. Monitor your results by tracking your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This will allow you to see which pins are performing the best and adjust your strategy accordingly. It's also important to continually create new content and test different strategies to optimize your results. That's it. By following these steps, you can start an affiliate business with Amazon using Pinterest. Remember that building a successful affiliate business takes time and effort, but by staying consistent and focusing on providing value to your audience, you can achieve great results. Thanks for watching.